Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check for mega drops in Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application. And after opening the Binance application, you will get to see this homepage. Now in here, you will have to tap into this yellow Binance app icon into the top left corner. Tap into that and then you will get to see this page right here. Now into here, you just simply have to tap into this mega drop from shortcut. Tap to mega drop and then you can see all of the available mega drops into here. Into mine, I can see 2 mega drops of Lista and Bounce Bit. Now it is already ended, but if it will be available, I would have participated into these drops. But in order to participate into Megadrop, you have to verify your account. This way, you can very easily explore and check for Megadrops into Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.